time is always now to care for community.
Just off the Bicentennial Greenway at the corner of Ireland and Curtis Streets, this fridge will serve the community simply by staying cold.
Anyone can come into the fridge, but we are partnering with the Hickory Winds Farm, who is supplying 20 pounds of produce every single week here, and partnering with other local groups such as Food Not Bombs and other community members in Greensboro.
The Freedom Fridge has been in the works more than a year. Eliza May and Rakaya Nazir Phillips of Greensboro Mutual Aid say the concept goes back decades.
And building on the legacy of our ancestors, Fannie Lou Hamer and the Freedom Farms of Mississippi and the Black Panther Party for Self-Defense, and we also understand, and our elders and our communities who have always taken care of each other.
25% of the households in the census tract surrounding Prince of Peace Lutheran Church do not have access to vehicles and are more than a half-mile from a supermarket, according to the USDA.
This is also the first intentionally planned Black neighborhood in Greensboro, and so that is not insignificant in the placement of our first pilot fridge.
Hand-painted by a Warnersville artist, Eliza and Rakaya hope the shelter serves as a small sanctuary for those needing help.
It was all community-led, all community-centered, because out of the dirt a seed must grow, and our communities, like, they tried to bury us, and we were seeds. We grow despite it all.